Good morning everyone. How are you? Fine? So you all waked up? Good. Energized? Had your breakfast? All set and prepared to begin with our today's class? So let's begin with our today's class. So first of all tell me, have you attended your prayer session? You've attended that? Good. And I hope you have also attended the yoga and must have tried those asanas also. Isn't it so? In case you are not able to do, don't worry, don't get disheartened. Just keep on practicing those asanas and one day surely you will be able to do with complete perfection. Okay? So let's begin with our English class. This is the first period and we are going to study about English. And in this English class, we have been learning about different E sound words. You remember we have been doing different E sound words like egg, ebb, egg, and which was the previous sound we have just finished? N sound. Do you remember all these sounds? You are practicing their work every day. Keep practicing in the form of writing also. Keep writing these words as well as keep on reading these words, because when you will keep on reading them, the reading habit of yours will be developed. Okay, so you are going to develop a good reading habit and you will able to read new words also. Clear? So let's begin with our today's sound. So which sound we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about it. It. So I have written here it sound words. So which sound word we are going to learn? It. It. So E is it and T is T. And when we are mixing the sound of both these words, what we are getting? It. Just connect the sound, just mix the sound of A and T. Mix these two alphabets and the sound is coming out as it. Try it yourself. It. Understood all? It sound words. So which sound words we are going to learn? We are going to learn about it sound words. So let's see. Now I have some pictures here on board. So tell me, what is the picture you can understand? Now the first is this. Very easy picture. It's a picture of cat. Now tell me why I have drawn an at sound word in ek sound word. Yes, tell me. Cat. Now when we are saying cat, we are pronouncing it as at. Cat. It's an at sound word. But now you will ask, ma'am, it's an at sound word. Why you have written it ek sound word? There is a difference between at and it. So tell me, what is the difference? At is at. Yani ki at. Isn't it? But we are doing it. It. Not at. We are doing it. So now tell me how we can mix this word with X sound. Can anyone tell me? Okay, I am going to tell you. So understand it carefully. It. So this cat I have drawn here as a pet. Pet. It can be a dog also. So first of all, who is a pet? Pet कौन होते हैं? Pet can be any animal who lives with us in our home. It can be a dog, a cat, or any other animal, like some of us love to keep rabbits also as pet. So the word which I want to teach you is pet. So let's write down the word here now. The word is pet. How I have written? I have mixed the sound of P with X sound and it becomes pet. So pet is basically the animal who lives with us in our home. आपने देखा है, some of us keep dog as a pet, some of us keep cat as a pet. We can also keep rabbits as a pet, and sometimes we keep birds also, like parrot. So they are called pet. What they are called? Pet. Clear? So pet are those animals who live with us in our home, हमारे घर में. Clear? Okay. Now moving to the next picture. What is this? Something similar to aeroplane, but it's not aeroplane. No, it's not an aeroplane. Aeroplane is something in which passengers travel. Passengers जैसे बहुत सारे लोगों को कहीं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना होता है, so passengers travel in aeroplane. But it is not aeroplane. We use this in fights. जब दो कंट्रीज के बीच में फाइट्स होती है तो ये यूज होता है, या दिस इज जनरली यूज्ड बाय एयरफोर्स. जो हमारी एयरफोर्स है वो यूज करती है इसको. सो व्हाट इज दिस? इट्स अ जेट. बहुत स्पीड से फ्लाई करता है. समटाइम्स यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन द स्काई, बहुत तेज से आवाज करता हुआ कुछ जाता है हमारे हेड पे से, एंड वी से देखो कितनी तेज एक हवाई जहाज गया. दैट इज नॉट हवाई जहाज, इट्स जेट. व्हाट इट इज? Jet. Now let's see which all sounds are mixing together. So speak with me. Jo, et, jet. So Jo. Which alphabet to be written here? Jo. Jo. Jo, et, jet. So Jo is mixed with et. It makes jet. Understood all? Okay. Now this is very familiar with you to all of you. What is this? It's a net. No, it, net. Now can anyone tell me what is the use of net? Can anyone tell me the use of net? Yes, sometimes it is used for fishing, or when we need to stain our soup. मम्मा घर पे सूप बनाते हैं, so soup stainer होता है. स्टेनर होता है जिसको हम छलनी कहते हैं. उसमें नीचे जो ये पार्ट होता है वो एक जालीदार पार्ट होता है. उसमें छोटे छोटे पोर्स होते हैं और उसमें से बहुत फाइन चीज़ें निकल पाती हैं, लाइक सूप. इफ मम्मा इज मेकिंग अ सूप, वो क्या करती है, टोमेटोज को क्रश करके शी पुट इट इन द नेट, और नेट के अंदर से सारा क्या होता है, जो पल्पी एरिया, जो पल्पी इंग्रेडिएंट होती है वो उसमें रह जाता है, एंड द सूप कंसिस्टेंसी जो होती है पतला वाला, दैट कम्स आउट. सो वी कॉल इट अ स्टेनर ऑल्सो. स्टेनर कहते हैं, बट दिस portion is called net. What it is called? Net. No, et, net. Clear everyone? So let us see. No, et, net. Okay. Now what is this? मैम ने क्या किया हुआ है? There is a string. Some clothes are hanging. Clothes क्यों hang करे हुए हैं हमने? Okay, when mama washes our clothes, तो वॉश करने के बाद we spread them out in the sun. हम उन्हें बाहर धूप में सुखाते हैं, फैला देते हैं उन्हें, so that they get dry. तो वो कैसे होते हैं जो उन्हें ड्राई करना पड़ता है? They are wet. गीले होते हैं ना. जब हम क्लोथ्स को वॉश करते हैं, when we wash our clothes, they are wet. हम उन्हें वाटर में क्लीन करते हैं, so they get wet. अब आपको वो वेट क्लोथ्स तो आप नहीं पहन सकते हो, है ना. सो वी पुट देम आउट इन द सन टू गेट ड्राई. अंडरस्टूड? सो व्हाट इज दिस? वेट. ये देखिए, सम वाटर ड्रॉप्स आर फॉलिंग डाउन फ्रॉम दीज क्लोथ्स. सो हाउ वी कैन एसोसिएट इट? वेट. व, एट, वेट. क्लियर? सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू राइट दिस वर्ड? व. नाउ आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर आल्सो, व. There are two different things. W. Now look at my lip movement when I am saying W. So which alphabet will come? V or W? W. W, et, wet. So the alphabet will come W. Yes. So I am going to write it here. W, et, wet. W, et, wet. Clear? Now I have some more new words to tell you about H sound words. Let's they are. Now, one is get. Get. I'll write that word first, then I'll explain you. So the word is get. Do you know what is the meaning of get? Get मतलब कुछ लेना या कुछ मिलना. As in, if mama asks you, go and get some water. जाओ और पानी ले आओ. यानी कि कुछ लेकर आना. या mama is saying, go to the market and get some potatoes. मतलब आप मार्केट जाओ और कुछ potatoes ले आओ. So get मतलब लाना. Go and get. Get this for me. If mama is sitting in the room and she wants you to bring some vegetables from fridge or some fruits from fridge, what she will say? Go and get mangoes from the fridge. मतलब fridge से mangoes ले आओ. Clear everyone? So go it is get. Go it get. Okay. Now moving to the next picture, that is set. So it set. Can you tell me the meaning of this word? Set. Set means a full, a lot of things which mix together and make a compiled box. For example, आप दीदी या भैया होते हैं, they use a geometry set which is having a scale, pencil, उसमें एक compass होता है, protector होता है. It is a set of many things which are used together. For it can also be a set of painting set. जैसे उसमें painting colors हो गए, as ma'am showed you earlier also bottles में painting colors, brush, mixing plate, then drawing book. So all this is what? A complete set of drawing. Drawing set हो गया. One more example if I give you, आप birthdays पे जाते हो, you get pencil kit or pencil sets as a gift. उसमें क्या होता है? You get one pencil, you get a sharpener, a eraser, a scale. You get all these things now. So what are these? It's a set of writing. जैसे writing kit बोलते हैं हम उसको. So it is a set means something having lot of things but are used together. So it set. So it set. Clear everyone? So it set. Now when we get ill, जब हम बीमार हो जाते हैं, we go to doctors. We go to doctors to have medicine, to take a treatment ताकि हम ठीक हो जाएं. Now we have pet. Sometimes these pets also get ill. Pets भी बीमार हो जाते हैं. So अब हम किसके पास जाते हैं pets को लेके? Yes, can you tell me? Doctor. But जो pet के doctors होते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं vet. What we call vet. What we call them? Vet. So now understand the word. This is wet. Wet. And the other one is wet. So that is V-E-T, wet. So verb and verb. So this is wet and this is wet. There is a difference. Verb at wet is gila and verb at wet is a doctor for animals. Clear everyone? Doctor for animals is called wet and gila, जो चीज गीली हो जाती है, जिस पे पानी गिर जाता है, that is wet. So let's revise all the words which we have done. We have done 8 sound words. Which sound words we have learned today? 8 sound words. Now the first one is j, et, jet. Say with me. J, et, jet. N, et, net. N, et, net. S, et, set. G, et, get. W, et, wet. Repeat with me. W, et, wet. P, et, pet. V, et, wet. Clear? Now one more word which I want to tell you is m, et, met. So I'll just write down the word here first, that is एट met. So what is met? जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं, when you are going to the park और आप एकदम से अपने फ्रेंड से मिलते हो, that means met. हम मिले अपने फ्रेंड से या घर पे कोई आता है हमसे मिलने, तो that is met. जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं या कोई हमसे मिलने आता है, we refer that as met. Clear everyone? So moving towards today's work. So the work to be done on page number 21 of your book. So I'll write book page number 21. This is your classroom. You will when you are going to open your book, your phonic book, when you will open this phonic book, you will open on page number 21. You will find 8 sound words. You have to do this work as your classwork. Now what is your homework? That I am going to show you with the help in this video only, how you have to do the same work in your notebook as your homework. Clear? So let's see that. So now open your English notebooks like this, and we are going to write 8 sound words in our notebook also. So the first thing which we do is to write the date. So what is the date today? Today is 22nd July 2020. Okay, and this is your homework, because the classwork is the work which you are doing in your book, and this is your homework. Now what is the topic? Which topic we are doing? We are doing it. 8 sound words. So like this you are going to write your topic, 8 sound words. Now these are very simple pictures which I have told you that you can try drawing them. You can also take help from your book. You can see the pictures from your book and draw them. Clear? So let's begin writing these words now. Can you identify this picture? What picture is this? Yes, something we use for fish catching, or sometimes when mama is making soup also she use this. This is net. Net. So how we are going to write? First we'll write na and we'll mix it with 8 sound words. Net. Clear? So once again, net. Like this we'll write net. Now what is this? A cloth hanging outside in the sun. तो वो कैसा cloth है? It's wet. Yes, wet. So wet. You also have to write like this. Try to write the word one under the other. Clear? एक के नीचे एक लिखेंगे. Don't go like this. Otherwise वो बहुत dirty लगता है. Now, which plane is this? Used by Indian Air Force. I told you जो बहुत speed से जाता है. Yes, it's a jet. Very good. So, jet. Jet. Now, what is this? It's a cat. But we keep them as, I told you, cat, dog, rabbit. People love to keep them as pet. Yes, pet. So we can also say it pet. Pet. So it's a pet. Now can you tell me what we call the doctor who treats our pets? जो डॉक्टर्स हमारे पेट्स को ट्रीट करते हैं उनको क्या कहते हैं? Yes, what we call them? Vet. Yes, this is vet, but the doctors are called vet. So what is this first letter I need to write here? V. Very good. So you have understood your work. V, it, wet. V, it, wet. V, it, wet. Okay. Now the last word which we are going to write is when we meet with our friend in the park. जब हम पार्क में जाते हैं और हमें कोई friend मिलता है. So what we call that? Met. Yes, जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं, so we call it met. M, it, met. M, it, met. So clear everyone? Let us just read our words once. N, it, net. V, it, wet. J, it, jet. P, it, pet. V, it, wet. And M, it, met. So you must have understood today's work which we have done. So which sound we have learned? Today we have learned about 8 sound words. So this work, the work in the book needs to be done as your classwork, and the work which I have shown in the notebook will be your homework. Complete your work neatly, beautifully. Try to draw the pictures and share your work with me. Clear? So now get ready for the next class. Bye all. Take care.